And one more like that. Push down on this right here. Perfect. You take half off like that. See how those look like Doritos? I got some Doritos right here. Crush up your Doritos. Chop it up really fine. That should be fine.
We're about to find out.
We're about to find out. Okay, now grab some scissors and cut the bag like that. Get a few eggs here. You know you wish you could do that. We're gonna make a nice egg wash.
Yeah, wash this.
Wash this. Okay, now take one of your triangle stacks and dip it in the flour because we're gonna deep fry this.
What, with Doritos?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Bro, it sounds amazing.
This is gonna be so good. Now, take that, put it in your egg wash, fully coat it here. Now, normally you put it back in the flour. We're putting it right in the Doritos this time. Look how good that's gonna be. Look how much no room I have. Okay, now take that out and do this instead. Because that's way easier. Now coat it.
Now you're much more able to do it.
Because we got a bowl.
Because we got a bowl of that. Amazing.
There's one. Look how perfect that looks. There we go, that's the last one.
Okay.
Now deep fry your fingers. Now make sure your oil is at least 375, 406, that's too much.
Let's go.
Okay. Pick it up. Place it inside. Perfect. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Take number 2, number 3, and the last huge fat one right there. We're gonna keep this in for a few minutes, then we're gonna flip it. I can't wait.
Bro, this is about to be the best thing we ever had.
This is gonna be so good.
Kidding me?
Okay, now let's give it a flip. Oh yeah. Look at that. Flip that. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, bro, with the cheese melting through it, look at that. Bro, that smells like the best thing I've ever smelled in my life.
Wait till you see the inside of these things, man. You want to leave it in here for a while because you want that cheese to melt. Oh yeah. Flip it on the side like that now. There we go. Almost done, man.
Fried cheesy ham Doritos? Oh my God. How have we not known about this?
Okay, let's cut it open and see if these are done. This looks done though. Put a couple pieces of paper towel down.
I can't wait to eat that. I'm not even kidding.
Are they all right?
Deep fried chicken breast. Let's go.
All right, here we go.
Let's go.
Ready to see it?
You know it, bro.
Oh, look how melted that is.
Oh my God, dude.
Okay. Here. Okay.
Are you kidding me right now?
This might be the best thing we've ever made. That looks like it came straight from KFC. Okay, let's see what the inside looks like, man. Come on, be melted.
Come in.
Come on.
Come in.
Push that down. Boom, look at that.
Oh, bro.
There we go, dude. That's so gooey.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Oh.
Let's go.
Let's go. We did it.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers, dude.
Best thing I've had in my life.
This is incredible.
Do that ASAP.